Stole my first rental property for $0 down, and everyone said I was crazy until they saw what happened next. Picture this. I'm standing in front of a house that's been sitting empty for 8 months. The owner is drowning in mortgage payments, and I'm a broke college student with big dreams but no cash. Traditional wisdom says you need 20% down, perfect credit, and 6 months of reserves. I had none of that. Instead, I offered something different. I told the owner I'd take over his payments, handle all repairs, and give him a small monthly payment for his equity. He thought I was insane. His realtor laughed me out of the room. But desperation makes people creative. 3 weeks later, I had the keys. The house needed work, but I learned to fix toilets from YouTube and painted walls until 2 a.m. My friends thought I'd lost my mind living in a construction zone while renting out the other rooms. Fast forward 6 months. Those same rooms were generating enough income to cover the mortgage plus an extra $800 monthly. The owner got relief from his financial stress, I got my first property, and the tenants got affordable housing in a great neighborhood. The real estate gurus selling courses for thousands never mention this approach because it doesn't fit their cookie-cutter formulas. They want you to believe you need perfect conditions to start, but the best opportunities come from solving other people's problems creatively. Sometimes the biggest obstacle isn't money or experience. It's thinking you have to follow everyone else's playbook. The most successful investors I know started by breaking the rules everyone said were unbreakable.